Shortly after that trip, I had received the new BMS, and it was a pretty straightforward install. It was a little nerve-wracking having the battery opened up, but in the end, it all worked out. Now I can move on to painting the frame, finishing the wiring, and getting it all back together. So today is the day we're taking the bikes out on a group ride, some Facebook group. Sam found them. We're going out to Newport. Here's the mini bike, handlebars folded down. Got the vinyl on the little sides there. Make it look all nice. You know, like any other hobby or project, there are always little things I want to tinker, like I want to make like a cover and a proper strap for the battery, but for now just have a bungee cord on there, I guess. And but everything else pretty good. Got the wiring all gone, all on there. Brake light, headlight, tail light, blinkers. It's pretty cool. So let's see what Sam's up to. Yo! Ready for the ride out? First ride out. Dang, on the wire for this one.
Last minute touches.
Dingomotousa about to make his debut. Dingomotousa. You can go. We're gonna try to find out how far we're gonna be able to go. Okay, we made it.
Ooh. Fire damage.
Upper Newport Bay Nature Preserve. We're normally on the other side kayaking.
Yeah.
We see him, we see him. Let's get it.
Hey guys, those are not street legal. That's what we're gonna tell us.
Be like, you can't be a part of our club. Oh man. Nah, then we tripping.
That's awesome.
I'm sure with this battery it's gonna do a lot better.
Yeah. Is it a new brand new battery?
Yeah,
You never tried it?
Never used it. This is the first day. I thought that was a sign.
Let's get it.
I see you get squirrely and stuff, and I'm like, whoa. See, but
It's the thrill. It's the thrill, you know?
The adrenaline, you're about to lose all your teeth.
I love the flag too. It's like lets people know I'm here to stay.
Dingomotousa.